Hi, this is attorney David Nguyen, and today we're going to give you a 6-point summary of the new Keeping Families Together Parole in Place program. Today, Monday, August 19, 2024, very big deal, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services will release the Form I-131F, application for parole in place for certain non-citizen spouses and stepchildren of U.S. citizens. In general, the U.S. government is stating that if you are a foreign national and you enter the country without inspection or paperwork and you were married to a U.S. citizen before June 17, 2024, you may be eligible to apply for parole, which would indicate that you actually came into the country legally. This is a very big deal, since in the past, foreign nationals that came into the country without inspection usually would have to apply for the I-601A provisional waiver and attend a visa interview overseas, which takes upwards of 4+ years. So here are the 6 ways to qualify. 1. You must have been married to a U.S. citizen before June 17, 2024. This means that if your spouse was a green card holder and naturalized after this date, you won't qualify. This also means that if you are no longer married to that U.S. citizen spouse, you cannot apply. 2. You must have entered the U.S. without inspection on or without a visa or other travel documentation. The reason for this special requirement is that if you did enter with a valid visa or travel documentation and you are married to a U.S. citizen, you can usually apply for a green card without using this particular parole. 3. You must have continuous residence for 10 years prior to June 17, 2024. This means that if you had traveled abroad using advanced parole within that time, it won't be used or counted against you. 4. You must not have any disqualifying crimes. And just a tip, if you're currently on DACA, you will not have any disqualifying crimes, most likely. Complete details on the type of crimes will be released by immigration later today. 5. You must not be a risk to national security. Usually this means that if you have never been in a gang or a terrorist organization, you'll be good. And finally, 6, you must have positive discretionary factors. Basically, you have to prove that you are a good person, and this goes beyond just not committing any crimes. Stay tuned because in part 2, I'll provide the top 3 mistakes that you can make related to this new parole in place program. And in part 3, once the form is actually out, I'll discuss tips on how to file the form. This is Winning Law, and thanks for watching.